bombo patana naitoka bombo klata bombo klat patana naitoka bombo klat patana naitoka bombo klat patana na Bitcoin bombo klat patana na PulseCoin bombo klat patana na PulseCoin bombo patana na Hex. Yes, what up guys, this is the Kenyan Hexagon and we are looking at Pulse. So this is the Pulse chart. Of course, whenever you open it, just make sure your chart is at log like we have it here. And of course, we are pulling this information from the Pulse folio. We are looking at from Pulse folio. Yeah, and yes, now this is Pulse. This is Pulse. I thought I've opened for Pepe, but we are going to do that in a few. So this is the PulseChain, the PulseCoin chart, and this is how it is looking. Yeah, of course, down here we have the transaction, we have the top traders, and you can see in the last 1 minute there is a buy that has been done of $1 that is worth 134. Yeah, another thing that I'm insisting on is that in Kenya you can buy crypto worth any amount, even 50 shillings, $1, that is 100 shillings. Yeah, so you should not like think of it that you need to have millions of money or thousands of money so that you can get into crypto. These assets are down, like they are down so much. Yeah, so yeah, you can see it here. We have portfolio. You can see these assets. Yeah, just a quick one here. You can see these are the assets. We have a quick outlook of what is happening. Yes, now Pulse is you can see these assets from all-time high. They are still down more than 90%, negative 90%, more than 90%. You can see Pulse is 96, Pulse X 94, Hex is 95, EHEX is 98, incentive token is 99.42%. Yeah, so that's how they are performing. And now on this chart here, we are looking at the price performance of Pulse on the weekly time frame, and this is how it is performing from all its time high up to now, up to the moment, up to this period here. You can see Pulse is still 97 point something percent, like what you are seeing here, 96, around 96, 97 ish there. So that is the price right now, but then there is some good news that we are seeing here, where price the week has started with a green candle. So this might be a change in terms of the price performance in the and how it has been performing. Yeah, so this is the monthly chart, and you can see how price is still performing. And then something that maybe we can note is that whenever the month is starting, like right now, the month just started yesterday, March 2027, and this is how the price is performing. Yeah, so if this month starts with a green candle like the others you have seen, you can see these previous ones, this might indicate a reversal at this point. Yeah, so meanwhile we are still bearish, but right now you can see the market has gone down more than 90%, that is 97% currently. So if the month starts with a green candle, that will be like a positive news for us, like something that has not happened in a very long while. Like we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of of uh, of 7 months of like following each other, where price has been bullish, just a bearish, that is going down, down, down up to the current price here. So that is what we are waiting, and you can see in the monthly and on the weekly, the price is still very bearish. But then this week, price has started with a green candle. That is from yesterday. Oh, the week started just today, not yesterday. So that is how the price is performing, and then probably we might now draw this candle, this trend line here, so that it might show us where the resistance is. And now, if price now comes to break out of this uh, trend line here, we might be waiting now for price to keep on going higher. Yeah, so we'll have confirmed this reversal here. So that is how price PulseChain is currently performing, and this is now the current price. So this week, this is what we are seeing, and that is some of the big fundamentals that we are looking at right now. So there's a lot of fundamental analysis, and there is a lot of things that is happening in the market. We have the the US and the Iran war that is happening. These are things that, and some of the fundamentals that can affect the price to keep on being bearish. And you can see even Bitcoin is still bearish. All other cryptos are still bearish. So yeah, we have a lot of things that are contributing to the price being this low. But anyway, at the end of the day, we have now the good part that is happening. Right now, we have PROVEX. We have PROVEX that is launching anytime soon on PulseChain. Actually, it has launched, but it is being beta tested. Yeah, so we have PROVEX, which is launching anytime soon. The the sacrifice period ended in January, and now last month, that was February, we saw it being beta tested. Richard Arch announced it, and we are now waiting to see people or now the real use of it in the market. So ProVex is like the exchange killer. It's a global exchange which is decentralized. Crypto was invented to remove middlemen. That was the first thing. Yet centralized exchanges that the sexes have become the biggest middlemen of all. ProVex replaces them. Buyers and sellers install a browser extension that issues zero knowledge proofs, and then the seller proves. Okay, the seller proves they sent the coins to the smart contract, and then now the buyer, of course, they then prove the buyer logs into the bank or fintech. The ProveX extension generate a proof of payment without revealing login data. Math settles it. The contract verifies proofs. Funds are released 0% middlemen, 100% privacy. So this is the exchange killer that is coming to take away Binance, the coin market cap, yeah. So all those other exchanges that people have been using will we will have all what they have been doing on ProVex, and then now ProVex is even better because it is decentralized. It's not like it will not be controlled by anyone. It will be controlled by the users, by the community. So this is code. Make sure you do your own analysis before you make any decisions. Yeah, of course, make sure you do your own research so that you can make informed decisions. Yeah, thank you very much for tuning into this video. We are waiting to see how this price is going to be performing. We are here tracking this price each and every day. Yeah, so stay tuned by subscribing to this channel. That is the only way that you can be able maybe to pay me for this good information for free. Yeah, you just subscribe to the channel so that you can just motivate the team that is behind this analysis. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.